It appears that someone has been shopping with their credit card. I wonder who that could possibly be. Princess Fatima the camel. And the question is, was this box worth it? Oh, camel! 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 You bellowed? Yes, I bellowed. Oh, hi there. I was just doing some shopping. How could you be doing shopping if I have your credit card? They have it on file. Did the Paradise Delivered box get here yet? Yep, it's here. Oh, goody, let's see what we've got. The question is, was it worth the price for $35? That means each item is got to have a value of $3.50. So let us know if you think it was worth it. First up, it looks like there's a makeup bag with a design on the front. Yeah, nice, simple makeup bag, or put anything else in there that you need. Nothing spectacular. Canvasy type material. Cute enough. But is it worth $3.50? Yeah, that is a question. I couldn't find it anywhere online to verify that. Oh, that's a cute pair of socks. Yes, I think so. A cute little spider design for Halloween. Makes perfect sense. And last year we did get socks and a makeup bag, but they were different patterns or different designs than what we have here. Would you pay $3.50 for this? Yeah, I would. I mean, they're not maybe the greatest quality, but easy to get 2 or 3 uses out of them in the month of October. So yeah, I'd give you $3.50 for this. Oh, it looks like there's an eyeshadow palette, which means I get to do swatches later. This is the City Colored Paradise Love palette. Those are the shades. Would I give you $3.50 for this? Yeah, I probably would. I mean, it's not the greatest, but 9 different shades. I think that's worth $3.50. Now, could I find it online? Yes, I could. When I found it online on their website, it says they want $8 for it. I don't think I'd give you $8 for it. $3.50? Yeah. Or I also found it at a wholesale seller for $1.15, but you have to buy $27 worth. And that's probably where Paradise Delivered gets things, is through wholesalers, and they're trying to make a profit too. So, you know, that's a bit of a markup to go from $1.15 to $3.50, but yeah, I'd give you $3.50 for that palette. How about you? Let us know. Inquiring camels want to know. This is a Charlotte Star mirror. We did not get this in last year's Halloween box, but we have received this mirror at least once before. I'm not sure which box it was in. Oh, a mirror. And in looking online, Charlotte Star wants $7 for that. I don't think so. Especially since I already have one. We have a candle from Canyon Moon. It doesn't state any scent notes on it. However, I took a sniff and it smells like baby powder. We did receive this in last year's Halloween box. Oh boy. Would I give you $3.50 for it? Probably not. Oh boy. And if I recall correctly, yes, I looked around and I found it only on eBay for anywhere from $4 to $8. Oh boy. Yeah, so I wouldn't give you $3.50 for it. Wouldn't give you $4 or $8 either. From Spa Life, we have a facial mask for pore refining. And we got this last year. Yeah, to be exact, I saved the mask, and hang on to this, Fatima. That's it back up there. Now, I did look on the Spa Life website, and they are selling this for $3.50. So, yeah, I would give you $3.50 for this. It was a cute mask. Oh, that looks like it could be funny or vicious. True. This is a back scratcher. It extends up. Help me out here, Fatima. So in case you need to get that spot that you know you just can't sometimes get. Oh, that feels wonderful. Keep scratching. A cute item. Would I really use it as a back scratcher? Maybe yes, maybe no. I think it would make a cute Halloween decoration, you know, sticking out of a bookshelf in between a couple books, or sticking out somewhere. I did find it online, and as I push it back together here, what did I find? I found that it was various places on the internet for $1 or 20 cents. So would I give you $3.50 for this? No, I would not. Even before looking it up, I would not give you $3.50 for this. $1 maybe. It is cute. I will give them that. It is cute. From Skip the Spa, we have a package of makeup remover wipes. We have tried this brand before in one of our clay mask battles, and the product did well. I was surprised to see this. Would I give you $3.50 for this? Yes, both because it says it's fragrance-free and there's 25 of them in here. $3.50? Yeah, I'd give you $3.50 for it. Now it says, Skip the Spa. From wholesale places, which is the only place I could find it, it's $1.50. So a little bit of a markup. Then again, Paradise Delivered is trying to make a profit here. So, you know, it is what it is, but I would give you $3.50 for this. From TMD, we have a bottle opener that's also a magnet. Makes sense, you need a bottle opener in the kitchen so you can stick it on your fridge. I really don't have a need for a bottle opener, but I do decorate for Halloween, and this is a cute decoration for the fridge or wherever else you want to prop it up. Would I give you $3.50 for it? Yeah, maybe. Probably closer to $2, but it is a good hefty weight, and I believe it says it's on here. No, it's not ceramic, it's silicone. It's made from silicone. So would I give you $3.50? Maybe. I think I'd rather give you $2, but maybe. And what did I find when I looked that one up? I found it only on eBay for $5. So it was better to get it with the box. Yes. Next is a craft banner that you get to put together. It's from a company called Recollections. You can also get it at Michael's for $9. I don't think I'd give you $9 for this. Would I give you $3.50? Yeah. It's got some cute stuff in here. It's got a little loop-de-doop-de. And it's got a bird cage. And it does come with the strand to put it together. There's just no directions. And it also has a crow, raven, blackbird, whatever you want to call it. And they're kind of shimmery, sparkly a little bit. Would I give you $9 for that? No. Would I give you $3.50 for it? Yeah, I probably would. And Miss Fatima will now do some swatches from the City Color Paradise Love eyeshadow palette. Nice job in the swatching department, Miss Fatima the Camel. Thank you. I like swatching almost as much as I like shopping. Anyone have any favorites out there? I would say one of my favorites would be the face wipes, the eyeshadow palette, and maybe that craft banner. We do have a code, HUGS, H-U-G-S, which will save 30% off an order. In taking a quick look at the nitty-gritty, because that's what she likes to do, this was from Paradise Delivered. It was their Halloween box. They're probably done with it by now, but I could be wrong. They have prior boxes on their website. I know they are gearing up for a Christmas box. We are unsure if we're going to get that one or not because we have lots of advent calendars coming. So that's a reason to subscribe to our channel so you can see all those fun videos. This box was listed at $110. I would not have paid that. Me neither. It was on sale for $59. We had a code that took off a bit of change. The shipping was free, so the camel paid $35.40 for the 10 items. 3 of them were exact duplicates from last Halloween. And I don't mind the mask being a duplicate because it was a fun one. But then again, there's only so many Halloween things you can put in a box, I guess. Last year, it was $2.95 an item. This year, it went up to $3.50. Then again, the price of everything has gone up. Leave us a comment below. What do you think? Was it worth it? For the most part, I'm almost tempted to say no. Yeah, I hate to say it, but I'm almost tempted to say no. Anyway, it was a fun experience. We hope you enjoyed it. Like, comment, subscribe, notification bell, all that fun stuff. We've got videos coming in the Advent season. Got to get ready for that. That's a reason to subscribe to our channel. Hope to see you there. Happy spooky season.